That's all for today's video, guys, and I do hope na may natutunan po kayo sa ating pong video for today. And also, guys, sa mga nakapanood ng video na to, if you have any comments or suggestions, just comments down below on this video, and I'm pretty sure na masasagot po natin yung mga comments and suggestions or any questions ninyo. Before we end this video, guys, I just want to shout out sa akin pong classmate or kabatsmate na si June Garcia. He's now in Olongapo, and gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa kanya. Last week na napunta po kami ng Olongapo, and for the reason na konting unwind na rin, yun, naligo sa dagat. Naku guys, ang ganda talaga doon, grabe. Na-miss ko yung dagat. For how many years? I think 2 dekada, hindi po ako nakatikim or nakaligo sa dagat, pero that time talagang so much enjoy. And by the way, guys, if you have problem with your furnitures, sa mga gusto magpa-upholstery, yun, just contact this person, June Upholstery, and search nyo lang po sa kanyang page, June Upholstery. Makikita nyo po doon. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, May. Okay, that's all for today's video, guys. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.